Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we compare products to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today we have an exciting showdown between two top-notch dash cams. On the left, we have the Vantrue N4 Pro 3 Channel 4K Wi-Fi dash cam, and on the right we have the CHENSIVE 3 Channel 4K dash cam. Get ready for some intense comparisons, controversial opinions, and of course a lot of laughs. Let's dive in. Alright, let's talk about the most important aspect of a dash cam, the video quality. The Vantrue N4 Pro boasts a stunning 4K resolution with its Sony Star VIS-2 sensor. It captures every detail, making license plate, reading a breeze day or night. Now let's talk about night vision. The Vantrue N4 Pro features Sony Star VIS-2 Super Night Vision, which means it can capture clear images even in low light conditions. No more blurry videos of mysterious shadows. Alright, let's talk about the features that these dash cams offer. The Vantrue N4 Pro comes with built-in GPS, allowing you to view your driving route and location on the app. Plus, it has a 360 degrees rotating rear camera, perfect for capturing what's going on behind your car. Now let's talk about the elephant in the room, the price. The Vantrue N4 Pro is priced at $419, and yes, it's on the pricier side. But hey, you get what you pay for, right? According to online reviews, the Vantrue N4 Pro is highly praised for its video quality, night vision, and features. Reviewers mention that it captures clear and detailed footage, even in low-light conditions. The built-in GPS and 360 degrees rotating rear camera are also highlighted as standout features. However, some reviewers mention that it is on the expensive side. On the other hand, the CHENSIVE dash cam receives mixed reviews. While some reviewers appreciate its clear imaging and easy installation, others mention poor video quality and difficulties with the rear camera installation. It is praised for being affordable but lacks standout features. And there you have it, folks. The Vantrue N4 Pro 3 Channel 4K Wi-Fi dash cam takes the crown in every category. From video quality to features, it's the clear winner. But hey, if you're on a tight budget and don't mind sacrificing some quality, the CHENSIVE dash cam can still get the job done. Remember, it's all about making informed decisions, and we're here to help you do just that. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our latest comparisons. Until next time, stay smart and happy shopping.